Right, so I'm just gonna test drive this crap gadget thing. It's a popcorn maker, microwave thing. It says cool touch technology. Inside product colour is orange, which is this is. Yeah, get cooking. Anyway, it says remove lid. Add 30 grams of popcorn. Put 90 seconds in the microwave and enjoy. Oh, let's see. Anyway, so oh jeez, I just knocked the popcorn everywhere. That's a good start. Well, doomed. That's friggin' great. I'm just throwing everything everywhere. Hang on a minute. Bear with me. I had it on this thing up. I measured, because you've got to measure what? 30. Fuck. Yeah, this is gonna work. I give up. I'll try again. Well, I've got corn all over the floor. I'm not even going to zoom so you can see it. My kitchen's a disaster. Don't friggin' tell me my kitchen's a disaster. I'm just quickly pouring over 30 grams. I've got too much. Probably won't matter. Hang on a minute. Alright. Take a few more out. Oh, look, bugger it. Anyway. So it says, open it up. So it's a double layered thing, and you've got this like weird condom thing in the middle where you have to use that, otherwise it'll wreck it. And it's kind of double layered. You can take this bit out to clean. So, okay, what you do, you chuck that in. I'll leave a couple out because it's a bit too much. Let's hope this works. I'm not doing very well. Then you put this on and hear that click. I wonder if it's going to blow up. So, it's corn all over the floor. Don't look in there, it's really gross. 90 seconds at power, let's say 3. Because really, I don't know how hot that is. Please don't burn. Please don't explode. I'm so scared right now. God damn it. Oh my god. I am fucking sweating right now. Oh my god. Is it gonna work? I'm so scared. Oh god. I've never used it before and it could do anything. If it blows up, I'll just die. Oh my god, I'm so scared of it. Microwaves scare the hell out of me. It's not even working, man. Oh my god, it's not working. Oh, it's misting up. It's not even popping. It's not even popping. I think I've wasted my money. Is it going to blow up? I'm sure it's going to blow up. Maybe I shouldn't have sealed it shut like that. I'm scared of it. I am actually scared of it. It's not popping. Hang on. I can hear cracking. It's not doing anything. Nah. Oh, what? I reckon it's not hot enough. Oh, you've got to be joking. Didn't do shit. Oh. Check it out, man. One popped. I'll just stick it in again. Look, a big tip. I'm so scared. 30 seconds. Maybe it. Hour 5. Oh God. Is it? Yes, it can go at 700.
5 isn't high.
Isn't it? I'm scared to death of this machine. I'm so scared of this machine, I can't even tell you. I can hear something going on. It's supposed to take 90 seconds. It's not working. I'll do it like that. Power 7. Oh my God. I've got to say, it was barely warm when I opened it.
Did you set it on power 3?
Yeah.
That's like little balls.
Oh, here it goes. It's popping now. Not much. Come on. Please pop. Oh, what a disappointing thing. Another 30 seconds. Go, 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 go. Oh my God. I'm using this wrong. Hope it doesn't explode. Seems to be doing something now. Oh, it's still going though. Just give it another 20. It said not to bloody overheat the thing. It's still popping though. It smells like a cinnamon now. But just give it 10 more seconds. Is that it? I think that's it. Oh, that's it. It's starting to smell like a burn. Oh, shit. Shit. Oh, I always do that. Stinks. Burning boob. Did it work? Did it work? Yes. It smells like shit though. Did it burn? Nearly. I reckon this works. Not real good, but Fuck off, it's mine. Okay, here. Ah, fuck, that's hot underneath. Want some? No, not mine. Go on, put your hands in. You can have some. It's not the best, because it's got no butter in it. But if you're a fat prick, and you can't have butter, this is the way. Thanks for watching.